Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we're going to discuss an important role in facility and property operations, the facility manager. A facility manager is responsible for managing the day-to-day operation, maintenance, safety, cleanliness, security, and overall functionality of a building or facility. But what exactly does a facility manager do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a facility manager. A facility manager is a professional who manages the physical workplace and supporting services of an organization. In simple words, a facility manager makes sure that the building, equipment, utilities, housekeeping, security, maintenance, and other facility services operate properly and safely. The exact responsibilities depend on the type and size of the facility. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a facility manager. One of the main responsibilities is managing facility operations. The facility manager oversees daily activities and ensures that the workplace remains functional, safe, clean, and well-maintained. Another important responsibility is building maintenance. They coordinate preventive and corrective maintenance for buildings, electrical systems, plumbing, HVAC systems, lifts, generators, and other facility equipment, depending on the site. Another major duty is housekeeping management. They ensure that offices, common areas, washrooms, entrances, and other spaces are maintained according to required cleanliness standards. Another important responsibility is security management. They coordinate with security personnel or security agencies to maintain appropriate access control and workplace security procedures. Another duty is vendor management. Facility managers coordinate with external service providers for maintenance, housekeeping, security, pest control, landscaping, waste management, and other facility services. Another important responsibility is safety management. They help ensure that workplace safety procedures are followed and coordinate safety inspections, emergency preparedness, fire safety measures, and other applicable requirements. Another duty is utility management. They monitor services such as electricity, water, air conditioning, backup power, and other building utilities. Another important responsibility is maintenance scheduling. They plan preventive maintenance and coordinate repairs to reduce equipment failures and operational disruptions. Another duty is budget and cost control. Depending on the organization, the facility manager may monitor facility-related expenses, service contracts, maintenance costs, and operational budgets. Another important responsibility is managing facility staff. They may supervise maintenance personnel, housekeeping teams, security staff, technicians, and other facility employees or contractors. Another duty is handling facility-related complaints. They respond to issues reported by employees, visitors, tenants, or management and coordinate solutions. Another important responsibility is maintaining facility records. They maintain information related to maintenance activities, service contracts, inspections, equipment, incidents, vendors, and other facility operations. Now let's discuss the daily work of a facility manager. A typical day may begin with an inspection of the facility and a review of maintenance requests, security issues, housekeeping activities, and other operational concerns. The facility manager may conduct meetings with maintenance teams, housekeeping staff, security personnel, and vendors. During the day, they may inspect equipment, coordinate repairs, monitor service quality, handle complaints, check safety conditions, and follow up on pending work. They may also review vendor performance, maintenance schedules, utility consumption, and facility expenses. At the end of the day, they may review completed tasks, pending issues, incidents, and the next day's maintenance requirements. The exact routine depends on the facility. Now let's talk about the skills required to become a facility manager. The first important skill is facility operations management. They should understand building services, maintenance activities, housekeeping, security, utilities, and workplace operations. The second important skill is team management. Facility managers often supervise employees and coordinate multiple service teams. Another important skill is vendor management. They need to communicate with contractors, evaluate service quality, coordinate schedules, and monitor contract performance. Problem-solving skills are also essential because facility issues can occur unexpectedly. Another useful skill is maintenance planning. They should be able to schedule preventive maintenance and coordinate corrective repairs. Budget management is also important for controlling facility expenses and managing service contracts. Another important skill is communication because facility managers work with employees, management, vendors, technicians, security teams, and contractors. Safety awareness is essential for maintaining a safe workplace and responding appropriately to emergencies. Computer skills can also be useful for Excel, facility management software, maintenance systems, reports, and documentation. Now let's discuss the qualities of a good facility manager. A good facility manager should be responsible, organized, practical, alert, reliable, disciplined, proactive, and solution-oriented. Another important quality is leadership. They need to coordinate different teams and ensure that facility services are delivered properly. Quick decision-making is also important when dealing with breakdowns, emergencies, or urgent facility issues. Another quality is attention to detail. Small maintenance or safety issues can become larger problems if they are ignored. Patience and professionalism are also important when dealing with employees, vendors, contractors, and complaints. Another important quality is accountability. A facility manager should take responsibility for facility performance and follow problems through to resolution. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the organization and type of facility. Many facility manager positions may prefer candidates with a diploma or bachelor's degree in facility management, engineering, business administration, operations, hospitality, or related field. Relevant experience in facility management, building maintenance, administration, engineering, housekeeping, security, or operations can be an advantage. Technical knowledge can be particularly useful for facilities that include complex electrical, mechanical, HVAC, or building systems. Now let's look at some common workplaces for facility managers. They can work in corporate offices, hospitals, hotels, schools, universities, shopping malls, manufacturing facilities, residential complexes, commercial buildings, airports, and other large facilities. Now let's discuss the career path of a facility manager. With experience and additional skills, a facility manager may progress into roles such as senior facility manager, facility operations manager, regional facility manager, property manager, operations manager, or facilities head, depending on the organization. Developing skills in facility management, building systems, vendor management, budgeting, safety, project management, and leadership can support career growth. Before applying for a facility manager position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the facility size, team size, technical requirements, shift timings, emergency responsibilities, vendor management duties, travel requirements, budget responsibility, and other job conditions. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A facility manager manages facility operations through building maintenance, housekeeping, security, safety, utilities, vendor management, maintenance planning, team supervision, cost control, and facility inspections. Important skills include facility management, team leadership, vendor management, maintenance planning, budgeting, communication, problem solving, and safety awareness. Important qualities include responsibility, organization, reliability, alertness, leadership, discipline, attention to detail, accountability, and quick decision-making. For people interested in facility operations, building management, maintenance, administration, and workplace services, a facility manager role can be a strong career opportunity. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the facility manager job description, roles, responsibilities, duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.